Let's solve for x given x cubed is equal to 8, and we want to find real and complex roots. So I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides, and then I'm going to factor this out using SOAP. So x cubed is x times x times x. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. In the first parentheses, we're going to put x and 2. And the second one, we're going to group these. We have x times x, 2 times x, and then 2 times 2. And then we're going to use the acronym SOAP. S stands for same. We're going to use the same sign, which is minus. O is opposite, so opposite of minus is plus. And the last one is always positive, so that's going to be plus. Equals 0, so we're going to set each factor equal to 0. We get x equals 2. And then for this one, we're going to use a quadratic formula. So we have negative 2 plus or minus. 2 squared is 4, minus 16, that's negative 12, over 2. We can factor out a 4, and that becomes a 2. And then we can have the 2's cancel, and then the negative can come outside as I. And so the final answer is going to be x equals 2 and x equals negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3.